Come here, kids. Come sit with me. So kids, today's lesson is that there is immense strength in unity. If we work together in harmony, then even the most difficult of tasks become simple.
Please tell us a story and explain, Granny.
All right then. Today's story is about Chanchu the ant. Chanchu was a very hard-working ant. She would work hard day and night. She was loved by everyone in her ant colony. Very close to the ant colony lived Romy the grasshopper.
I am a rock star, ha ha! Living in the woods so far, singing the melodies for you, so please sing along with me. Well, the earth is mine and the sky is too. The world is mine and I own it too. Here I walk on the clouds, here I fly, shouting out loud. Woohoo! I am a rock star, living in the woods so far, singing the melodies for you, so please sing along with me.
Romy would never work. He would always visit the ant colony and forcefully take away the food the ants had worked hard to gather.
Romy! I'm totally fed up now with this brat of a fellow Romy.
Oh my lord! Now not only Romy, but even his brat is bothering you all now.
Never mind what DJ says. He is a donkey.
What can we do to stop this from happening? Romy is big and strong, and we are teeny tiny ants. How do we stand up to him?
I have an idea.
Oh, well. All the ants are standing here to welcome me. I know you want me to sing for you, huh? But not today. I am too busy for my bigger shows. Better luck next time, huh? Hey, step aside. Ha!
That's right, but today you will watch our show.
Ay! No! Stop them, Chanchu! No! Leave me!
I hope you enjoyed the show.
No! Please forgive me, Chanchu! Please forgive me!
Yay! Thank you, friends. You taught us to work up together as a team. And now, the ants will never be afraid of Romy. Unity really makes our work easier.
Who's this girl, Unity?
Oh.
And after that, Romy never stole or came into the ant colony. So now you all know that there is immense strength in unity.
Yes!
Yeah!